Welcome back to our channel. So why do you think it is dangerous when the hair is long on the paw pads of your dog? We would love to hear your comments. First, let's have a look at a paw pad before and after shaving. What do you think could the benefits be of a shaven pad? Before I show you how to successfully shave your dog's paw pads, let's briefly discuss why overgrown pads are dangerous. The first reason is that shaving the hair around and between the paw pads can reduce the chance of mats forming between the toes, making it painful for the dog to walk. Mats can lead to painful skin irritation or infection if not addressed. Secondly, it improves traction. With overgrown pads, it is basically like giving your dog a pair of ice skates. So many injuries happen due to dogs slipping and sliding on hardwood floors and tiles, which is the norm nowadays, as opposed to carpets where your dog had more traction. More torn ACLs, back injuries, and hip injuries happen. Shaving the hair reduces the risk of slips and falls, which is especially important for older dogs or those with joint problems. Thirdly, it enhances hygiene. Shaving the paw pads makes it easier to clean them, removing dirt, debris, and moisture that can accumulate and lead to infections or skin problems. Before I show you how to shave the hair on your dog's pads, please take a moment to click that subscribe button and leave some comments. We always appreciate your support. Now for the moment of truth you have been waiting for. I will be demonstrating how to shave a Yorkshire Terrier's paw pads. This is actually an easy task and can be done at home if you do not have time or funds to go to the groomer. Using a clipper, slowly start working on the hair between the pads. This is a men's grooming clipper, so no need to go buy an expensive grooming clipper. Be patient. For some dogs, this can be quite ticklish, and the sound of the clipper might scare them. If need be, pause a few moments and try again. Use different angles and directions of shaving to remove all the long hair, so the pads are exposed, and try and get as much as possible between the pads. Now imagine how much more grip this little puppy will have when running around. Next, we will start with cutting the excess hair around the paw. This will give the paw a neat, polished look. I will be using a pair of stub-nose scissors. No fluffy chicken feet for this pup. The stub-nose scissors, in my opinion, is much safer, since you have no sharp pointing object that can cause accidental injury. Remember to praise your dog every time he allows you to shave the paw, especially if it is the first time. Let's do another paw. Now here you can see it becomes really ticklish, so we pause for a few seconds and give some praise. After a short pause, the little one is willing again, so we carry on. Also note, with less hair, it's easier to spot any cuts, cracks, or other injuries on the paw pads, allowing for prompt treatment. Long hair acts like a mop, sucking up dirt, mud, and snow. Shaved paw pads are less likely to track dirt, mud, or snow into the house. Be careful when cutting under the paw with your scissors. Imagine how painful it will be if you cut that pad. In summary, while not always a necessity, shaving a dog's paw pads is a beneficial practice that promotes hygiene, comfort, and safety for your furry friend. You can do this yourself and save time and money, while your dog will definitely benefit from it.